Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do another knit crate unboxing, and I believe this is the Artisan knit crate because previously I unboxed the normal membership one, and if you didn't see that video, I'll link it down below or up here on the screen because it's so exciting. And oh, the color of the yarn I got, oh my goodness, it's amazing. But let's go ahead and see what's inside this one. So obviously knit crate are so amazing in packaging, and they have this beautiful cardboard boxes that it comes in. And for the Artisan knit crate you get two patterns. One is for beginners and one for intermediate, and also you get the yarn you need to knit both of them. And on top of that you get a little something, a little extra gift. Now if you watch my previous video you already know the theme. So the theme is ice cream, and it's got amazing colors. It's just, this is so exciting. So the Artisan knit crate for 2018, the theme is ice cream. The fresh neons and icy brights of this month's shipment will have you screaming for more. Celebrate the season with these popping primary tones with a twist. And it will be a twist. These electric hues remind us of afternoons spent poolside, energetic beach towns, and the sizzling heat of summer days. And let's see what's inside. So we have we have superwash merino yarn. Wow. I believe we get 2 skeins. We'll see when we open it. Every skein is $26. Then we get Emily Johannes patterns, so 2 patterns, $5 each. And then we also get a little gift, and the retail value for the Artisan knit crate is $70.84. However, you get it for $34.99, so half price, and that is just amazing. And on top of that you get 15% codes, 10% codes for different for different things, like either patterns on Ravelry or discounts on the Knit Crate website. And follow the link in the description down below where you can go and order your first knit crate, either the Artisan or membership or sock crate or Artisan sock crate, and you can get 20% off with my code TEO20. And I'm telling you, you will never regret having a subscription with Knit Crate because they are the most amazing yarn monthly subscription box. I'm so happy ever since I started my knit crates, because sometimes you feel like you don't know what you should do next. Maybe you have patterns but you don't have the yarn. Maybe you have the yarn but you don't have the patterns, but they give you the patterns, they give you the yarn. Obviously you don't have to use them together, you can do your own thing with it, but they give you the suggestion, and it's just so exciting and so amazing. And you always get a surprise, you know, every month. It's like Christmas. Let's look at the patterns. And this is the beginner's pattern, and it's a cape, the same as the other membership knit crate where we had just like a shoulder cape. And I think this is nice for, this would be nice for the beach. So you can wear a swimming costume, some denim shorts, and this on top if you're going for dinner or something, or I don't know. It's just so cool. And I love the colors. They're very summery. And a shawl for the intermediate advanced. Oh yes, both patterns are by Emily, so yeah, both patterns are by Emily, and they're both so nice. And wow, I like it. So I have a feeling this is the yarn that we're gonna all get, it doesn't have different colors. Ta-da! Yes, that's the yarn. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Let's put that down so it doesn't block the light. So you get 2 skeins of this fully spun postscript. Fullyspun.com. I haven't heard of them. See, this is another amazing thing about knit crate. So in some knit crates you get their own yarn, and in some knit crates or some months you get some other hand dyer, and it's so amazing because you just discover new people, new things, and you discover a lot of new Instagram accounts that you want to follow. This colorway is Lagoon, and it's 100% superwash merino. You get 329 yards, which I think is about 300 meters roughly, 100 grams each skein, and this is enough to do, you know, a shawl, or it's definitely enough to do a summer tee, like a short sleeve lacy top. Now it doesn't say the weight of the yarn, but it's probably fingering weight. Oh, it's sport. Yeah, so it's a tiny bit, I would say, a tiny bit thicker than the sock yarn. So you could get away with 3 millimeters, 3.5 millimeters knitting needles. Oh, I love it so much. I don't know, I've got so much amazing yarn from Knit Craze. I don't know which one to start with, and at the moment I've got 2 other projects going that I need to finish ASAP. And if you watch my channel, you'll know what I'm talking about. I've been doing baby blankets, I've been doing baby cardigans, because there are quite a few babies coming this summer with my friends. My friends are having babies. So it's so exciting. But this one, I'm not sure what I'm gonna knit with it, but I will let you know on Instagram or even here, and hopefully I will do maybe like a summer knit projects when I finish with all my beautiful yarn. Oh, we've got one more thing. Oh, I think it's a progress keeper. Oh, it's an ice cream. Yes, I think it's a popsicle stitch marker. So you can use it as a stitch marker, but I will use it as a progress keeper. Oh, it's so cute. It's an ice cream. Thank you so much, Knit Crate, for this beautiful artisan knit crate and this beautiful yarn. This is just so amazing, and I'm so happy that I can work with them on this. And please leave comments down below of what you would use this yarn for, because I'm not sure what I want to do with it. And also remember to use my code in order to get 20% off your first Knit Crate order, either a subscription or you just want to buy yarn. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!